Someone wanted me to draw an airplane, so I'm going to do that. We're going to start off with the propellers. And we're just going to do a big oval. Like that. And then we're just going to go out from there. And then right about here, we're going to do the wing. And then let's do the cockpit. And then we're going to go down like that. Let's finish off that. And then over here, we're going to draw the other wing. Like that. And then we'll draw the rear wing. Like that. Now we'll put some lines in here so we can get some perception of depth. And we can add some lines here. And let's put some bands on it. You know, they got like a stripe. We'll put a couple of stripes on right here. Like that. Now let's draw the dash and the windshield. And let's put some guy in here piloting it. So we'll draw a pair of eyes and a nose. And let's stick his tongue out. And we'll put those you know